Delta State University for Nigeria don't increase their school fees, my people, from 70,000 naira now 150,000 naira. Hey, the reason why I bring una this matter now no be just because of the increment of school fees. Now the commotion, and in fact I don't even know which English I could even add, where this matter now don dey cost for the school, even dey affect students. My people, one of the students, as I dey talk to Nana, don collapse. As she hear this thing, now so the just fall for ground gbagada. In fact, the tension she no even feel control herself. Like the matter dey very very serious. Now I say make her bring a call now for now. We don't know wetin dey happen right now for Delta. Abeg join me make we watch the video.
What up? I tell her stupid. Jesus Christ.
That class will start.
So it just collapsed. Yes. It didn't fall to the ground.
She fell to the ground.
Madness. More than 50% now they increase on top of school fees. Not even 20%. May we say okay, or maybe things don't cost or something. 50 from 70. No, this one, in fact, this one don't pass madness. I still they look for because before when this matter reach me, they tell me say no, say na if you know now how they do this in some schools. If you go there where you know be what they call them, citizen of the country or of the state, you now go pay more than the ones will be members or indigenous of the. But this one now. They don't say if you no be a member of Delta, let's say you no come from Delta State at all, meaning say you go pay double. But now we can't realize saying a lie because this girl where they talk about, she's from Delta. And according to matter wey reach me now, they talk say if you dey her department, you go dey pay, in fact no be even 150. Say her department people they pay 170,000. Meaning say apart from the 50% increase, her own department they add 20,000 on top. Hey, wow. I just dey imagine waiting they even enter this girl head before she collapse. He reached to faint for now we go dey talk say just because of this thing. He reached to faint. In fact, even past fainting. Una know whether na this girl dey responsible for herself. You don't even know whether she don't arrange herself. Say, okay, even this 70,000, you don't know whether she even they work. People, they go through things. And na the thing where they vex me for this matter. Government, you don't know even they think of people. Say, okay, this is what they do. How it go affect them? And before you go even take decision like this, you're supposed to announce them. At least some months before, so that people go there prepare. Now go just sit down in that una nonsense meeting one that they get, just decide something, sign paper, you go just announce it like that. How person no go collapse? My people, since when this Delta governor entered that seat, things just dey worse from day to another day. Things just dey become worse. And una know say already Nigeria they had. I don't understand. This country, it be like say last, we go just leave school for everybody. We go leave school for all the politicians, make them themselves start to go school. Because I never see where they talk say if you no go school, you go die. I know say education dey important, but I beg you no reach where person go come start to kill himself. You go school, problem. Before you go, no, only the thought of going to school sef for Nigeria. Only the thought na problem. Oh yeah, you can't manage now, enter the school. Another battle now where they come face. After you even finish that school, you go face NYC wahala. You manage, finish NYC now. Wetin be next? You go start to set things for WhatsApp. You no go even see, no, because job no dey. You go start dey buy something, snap and put am for WhatsApp, do this one, do this one. I don tire. Na these same people no go pay people parents salary. Now all of una no go, now una go delay salary. Now una no go even pay well. Okay, even the ones wey even dey pay, those ones wey no dey delay the salary now, check how much they dey pay. Now, how una expect make person pay school fees? Una even increase am on top salary wey una refuse to pay, on top money wey save wey no even reach anywhere. Make una well done o. Well done. In fact, I dey greet una. You have done well. Nonsense people. I no blame una. How I go blame you? I no blame una because the thing no even dey affect una in any way. Una get abundance. Una don keep heap cement of money. Una don keep am. They can increase school fees. No, how these people want pay? This girl now, in fact, this girl matter even the pity. Now that hospital bill, they go still pay. When she come out from that place, because even as she faint, my people no mean say they go reduce that school fees. In fact, government go hear this matter. You go enter here, you go come out from this other side. Nothing where they go do about this thing. Nothing. I don't understand why una heart just dey too strong. Una no even get where all these people. In fact, I just remember self. All of una where they call una self fans. Well, una go just dey contribute. Celebrity una don contribute. Celebrity una don buy car. Una don sign check of millions. Una we need una now. Person school fees now we need pay am. Yes, nah. No, me, I know they like stress myself. So I beg, if you know yourself, no make me, I don't even want to start to mention your name. I don't want to start to call issues and stories. Just gently, in fact, indicate yourself. I go give you details where you go send the money. Yes, because we need help this girl now. And for now, we don't know what to do with money. See, no, una don't see am. All the things where they talk since, now una go dey see am. Una don't spend millions, all that money plus the gifts plus the things. If una change them to better money, una go help many people. There are many people that need help in this country. Una no go use una head. Celebrities wey don already get money, una go they sponsor, they contribute, they say hey, she's our celebrity. This one, abeg o, that money we need them now. Very very important. This one no be joking matter. As that girl dey hospital now, by the time she come out, she go gas school continue the school. You understand? So I beg now we need this contribution. Start dey put am. Very very important. Since APC enter this administration, abi government, in fact my people no be small suffer wey people don dey suffer. I just dey imagine because 2023 now you still get like 1 year and some months. Abi if I no dey mistake. Before e go reach, I just dey imagine the kind things where these people go even bring again. This one we just finish fuel matter where they increase fuel. Now person dey collapse on top school fees. Which one go be next? I know they surprise again. Everything now where they come my way, I don't take it like that. My people are beg. See now beg I dey beg you now. I know say school dey very important, but please, may no reach level where you go kill yourself because of thinking. If it no work for you, leave am. No, I know why they talk this thing. If it no work for you, leave am. Many people dey where they no even enter school gates before, but today they call their names everywhere. I know they discourage you from going to school, but if you know say you know they work, it better make you dey alive and then you dey work your work than for you to die all in the name of school. I beg. Now I bring this matter now because it's very important. And they call on governor of Delta State, Biko, do something concerning that fees. Whether una go reduce them or as una don't increase them. Very simple. Since una no agree to bring her down, as una don't increase them, create a system. Whether because Nigeria said, I even dey surprised. How come we no get system where students feel even they loan money? They happen. Because for you to increase something, you must have prepared a system or a way so that people can be able to pay. Not just when they create. This is wickedness. In fact, una over wicked. My people are begging the matter be this. So any help where you feel assist for our sister, I beg, start they do am. The thing dey happen for Delta State, very very important. And abeg help me share this video so that the governor, no be just governor of Delta State, all the governors for Nigeria, they go hear me and they go get small sense. Very very important. Abeg share this video and drop una comment. I go reply una one by one. And no forget subscribe. If not, you go dey miss matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story.